My name is John McKeon, and I'm the moderator of the Teradata Aprimo River community, Teradata and Aprimo's largest customer community. You can connect with us at teradataRiver2.com. Today, we'd like to welcome Sudhakar Bommu, IT architect for Cisco. Cisco designs, manufactures, and sells networking equipment, revenues of about $43 billion. He will be presenting at this year's Partners Conference entitled Unity Early Adoption at Cisco. So basically what they've done is they've been involved in Teradata's early adoption program for Unity. Sudhakar, how do you actually take the Unity product and try and balance BI workloads across production systems?
Teradata Unity software helps us to configure and define the routing rules for BI queries generated from our BI applications. So we have a choice to submit queries to either of our production systems so that we can load balance BI workload.
So basically what you're doing is you're redirecting the SQL queries to multiple systems.
Yes, that's correct.
And so how does that affect the ETL workload?
So it will release some capacity on the system which is being heavily utilized so that we give more capacity to the ETL workload.
Okay, and in terms of the SQL multitask, how do you keep both systems in sync?
So we can submit the same data load process to the Unity software, and then Unity will help us load the data into both the production systems simultaneously, which will eliminate the lag or the latency if we were to do the same operation using a replication software like Golden Gate or Data Mover.
So what happens in a dual load process? Tell me about the lag times before and after Unity.
Before Unity, we have a lag time of anywhere between an hour to 4 hours to replicate data from primary production system to the secondary production system. But after Unity implementation, we will simultaneously load the data into both the systems. So there should be no lag time other than the size of the system or the capacity of the system.
So how did you get to near real time with these loads?
Near real time is a different capability. We are using Golden Gate software to trickle feed data into Teradata systems. So we did not use Unity for doing the near real time loads.
Okay. And what about, you mentioned earlier about the Unity early adoption, and that is in fact the name of your session. What was it like to actually be involved and participate in Teradata's early adoption program?
Yeah, it was really helpful to us. Early adoption program gives us a lot of great benefits and opportunity to work directly with the Teradata engineering team, Teradata product development team, and also we get Teradata professional services help on-site at Cisco. We get to work with them directly in testing and implementation of the software.
Sudhakar will be presenting at Partners Conference, Unity Early Adoption at Cisco. Should be a great presentation. If you have any interest in Unity, you should attend this session. It should be a good one. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at Partners, Sudhakar.
Yep. Thanks, John.